Hey guys, it's Megan, and today we are going to take a tour of the house before the renovation. When you see this, I will be on step 3 of the renovation, which is basically spackling. And I will put up a video of step 2. They will all be the same intro. So this is step 1 of the renovation. Next intro will be step 2 of the renovation, and the next intro will be step 3 of the renovation. And then after step 3, I'm sure we will have like painting and decorating, the fun parts of the renovation. Excuse my rooster, he's always upset, don't know why. Okay, so enjoy. We are going to be coming through the front door. So here we go. We walked through the front door, and to the right of us there's a closet. I use a portion of it for jackets, a top shelf for canning jars, the bottom for some storage, and the other side for food storage. Okay, and a mop. Here is the area, the kitchen area. I want to knock this whole wall of cabinets out so I can have better sight lines into the living room. At the entryway we have a light fixture here, very old, but I really like it. I think I'm gonna go with the rub bronze look in certain areas of the house. So then immediately you have your dining, coffee bar, sofa table, living, fireplace, which I'm going to revamp. We are going to sheetrock all these walls because this paneling is driving me up a wall, literally. You have the kitchen. It's a nice U shape. I don't like this awkwardness going on here. I'm planning to separate it a certain way, and hopefully it'll work. So you have a window, 2 doors, windows. There are windows everywhere in this house. As you can see, I have plenty of light flooding in, and I don't even turn on the lights. Ignore that. Here we plan to either hang the TV here or there. We may move this sofa to this side. I had it there, but I didn't like it because this is kind of a hallway to the bedrooms. This house is only 1,298 square feet. My last house was 3,000. This is one of my son's room. We only have 3 bedrooms and 3 baths in this house. This is his closet. Pretty decent size. He doesn't need too much space. He's only 12. This is the bathroom they share and the bathroom that company will share. This is my 14-year-old son's room. Here, it's almost same size as my other son. This is his closet. It's a little bigger. We're going to take half his closet to add to his bathroom and maybe get a double vanity. This is a whole wall of windows. There's a window here. We've shaded it out for him because he hates getting up in the morning with the sun in his face. Here's my bedroom. It's not as big as my other bedroom. In my bedroom in the last house, I had a walk-in closet. I don't have that here. Windows, doors. Then here's the closet. It's not as big as my last closet. That's my husband's side. Here's the dresser we use. We share a dresser. And then here's our master bath. There it is. We have one of those handicap bathtubs. We enjoy it because it has jets. We fill it up and we just sit there. We really shouldn't, but this bathroom, actually in the other house I never had a master bath. I never had a bathroom of my own. We only had 1 bathroom upstairs. That's pretty much it for the upstairs. I mean, aside from the basement, which that's 1,200 square feet in a nutshell. We're going to change out the rug to hardwood flooring. We already have that downstairs waiting to be done. I plan to extend the kitchen a bit, and wall's getting sheetrock. This wall's getting sheetrock. Oh, this is another pantry, and the other side is our linen closet. I keep extra pillows, extra blankets, yada yada. That shelf is empty. Yeah, all these panels are going to be changed out to sheetrock. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to take the cheap route and just replace the kitchen countertops and paint the cabinets. That's up in the air. The garbage cans need a place to go. That's ridiculous. Step by step, as we renovate each room, I will bring you with us so that you can see what the changes are. I plan to do like a flagstone on this fireplace, kind of to match what's going on the outside of the house, which I will have a tour of very soon. That's pretty much it. And for now, see you guys.